Unable to apply sound effects in CapCut on your iPhone? This usually happens due to network issues, app glitches, or outdated CapCut versions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to apply sound effect issue, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, now try airplane mode on and off. Make sure to turn off VPN. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear CapCut cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 2. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Update the CapCut app. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your sound effect issue is fixed by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.